Hey friends, who's hungry? More of a dessert than a salad, strawberry pretzel salad layers crunchy pretzels with sweetened cream cheese and juicy strawberries. First, crush 4½ cups of mini twist pretzels. You should end up with 2 cups crushed. Melt 3/4 cup of butter in the microwave. Combine the crushed pretzels with 1/4 cup of sugar and the melted butter in a medium mixing bowl. Stir until the pretzels are coated with the butter and sugar. Press the coated pretzel crumbs into the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 6 minutes. Remove the pretzel crust from the oven and allow it to cool completely. In the meantime, bring 2 cups of lemonade to a boil and add 6 ounces of strawberry gelatin. Stir until it's dissolved, then pour in 2 cups of cold water. Remove the saucepan from the heat and allow it to cool completely. In the meantime, slice 16 ounces of fresh strawberries. Once the gelatin is cool, add the strawberries. Next, whip together 8 ounces of cream cheese with 1 cup of sugar. Gently fold in 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping, then carefully spread the cream cheese mixture over the top of the pretzels. Pour the strawberry gelatin over the cream cheese. Cover the dish and chill for 8 hours.